One sunny morning. The sun was super bright in the sky, saying, "Hello, everyone." I looked out my window and saw our little garden. So many pretty flowers, some tall trees, and yummy vegetables starting to grow. It was like a secret little world. I really wanted to go outside. Just then, my mom and dad came in, smiling and waving.
Mom said, "Come help us." Dad said, "Let's go water the garden."
Water the garden? Yes, yes, yes. We were a team. The garden team. Our mission: give thirsty plants a cool, gentle drink. We opened the door, stepped outside. Wow! The air was fresh and nice. We started walking to the garden together. Mom carried a shiny red watering can. Dad had a long, wiggly green hose. I skipped because I was too excited to walk. The grass felt like a soft carpet. Little birds sat on branches, singing. A little yellow butterfly flew by. Whoosh! The big blue sky smiled down at us. I touched a petal. It felt so soft, like a little blanket. Dad turned the knob, pshh, and a gentle water stream began. First, Dad showed me exactly how to do it. Pour slowly on the soil at the bottom. Swish, swoosh, swish. The little plant looked happy, standing taller.
Mom said plants need water to grow big and strong.
Water helps the roots drink deep in the ground. It helps stems stand up and leaves be healthy. Plants need water. Then it was my turn. A bright yellow can, just my size. It was a little heavy, but so fun. I walked to a tomato plant. I tilted very gently. Plink, plonk, plink. Water the soil, not the leaves. I kept going, watering my favorite plants. A yellow flower opened like it was saying, "Good morning." I watered the carrots. Only their tops showed. Hee. The whole garden felt happy. For a baby tree, Dad used a gentle shower. For little plants, we used watering cans. Our garden was full of amazing colors. A soft, fuzzy leaf. So interesting. It smelled like rain and clean dirt. Sniff, fiff. A little bird sang for us, tweet, tweet. Every plant had a drink. Leaves were shiny, flowers stood tall. It felt good to be a helper. The plants whispered, "Thank you, thank you."